Hi guys, welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we're working again with Divi 5 here today. It's been a bit of discussion about CSS IDs and using them as anchor tags and where have they gone. I'll show you all of that today. I've got a little button here. I've got it connected to a section, contact section down below that's got a CSS ID. When I click on it, it's going to go down to it just like that. People seem to be having a bit of a problem. Things have changed slightly, but not too much, and I'll show you exactly what's going on. I've got this page open here, and if I roll down the page, we got a little hero section here, a little sort of graphical menu there, and a contact section at the bottom. Now, my contact section at the bottom has got a CSS ID of contact. If I go in there, advanced, if we look under attributes, here's the difference. Here's my CSS ID. With Divi 4, there was a tab for CSS classes and IDs. So let's go in here. I'm going to remove this attribute and I'll start from scratch. Really easy to do. And let's go up here. Let's remove this button and we'll start this from scratch as well. Okay, first let's put in the button that we want to put in. So I'm just going to add a button. It doesn't have to be a button. It can be any module you want. You can just make it link. So let's add a button. I want my button to say contact. And let's style it like this button. I'm just going to right click on this one. Copy attributes. I'm going to right click on this one. Paste attributes. Design attributes is what I want. Fantastic. Now, I'm not going to put a link in for the moment. I'm going to go down and show you how to add an ID to the section we want to link to, which is this. So I'm just going to click on the section itself. We're going to go over to Advanced. With Divi 5, we're going to click on Attributes, as I showed you before. We're going to add the actual attribute. I'm going to give it an admin name. So it's a CSS ID. We want to target this module, or this section basically. What's the attribute? Well, it's an ID, so let's just put in ID. See, it's added it right there. And the CSS ID that we actually want to give this, I'm just going to call it contact. You can call it anything you want, but it has to be unique. There can only be one of this value on the page. Contact's going to work for me. So now that we've got a CSS ID, attribute name ID of contact, we can go back up to our button now. We can go in there, go into the link, and we want to link it to that ID. Now, to link to an ID, you have to put a hashtag, then the ID name itself, which is contact. Fantastic. Now, let's save our changes up here. I'm going to close out my preview just to show you that we're going to preview the fresh copy right here. We'll hit preview. Fantastic. Roll on down to where our button is. If I click on it, it's going to roll down there. And it's the same with everything else. You can do that with IDs for any section, module, or row. You can also do it with an interaction. If we go back into this page, let's get rid of the button again. We'll start from scratch with that one. And let's take away our CSS ID. Over in Advanced, Attributes. We can take this away now by just hitting the little trash can. What I am going to do with this section, I'm going to go in, I'm going to give it an admin label, or basically a name that we'll see it on the back end. Let's just call it contact form. Obviously, whatever makes sense to you. And you'll see the reason for this when I add the interaction in a moment. Okay, well, let's go back up. We'll re-add that button. Or we'll re-add a button. I should still have my attributes in my clipboard, so let's paste the attributes again. Design attributes, fantastic. Now this time, I guess we'll go back in there, we'll call it contact us, whatever you want to put in yours, obviously. And this time, we're not going to put a link in. If we go down, I'm going to leave that completely blank. I'm now going to go over to my advanced. I'm going to go to the new interactions tab. Now we got some in there. I'm going to delete that, what's in there. It copy them from our button right here. So let's add an interaction. When we click on this button, I want it to scroll to, so I'm going to change it to scroll to element, target module. This is where the admin label comes in handy, because when you click on this, it puts the whole page in there as a tree from section, row, column, heading, blah, blah, blah. I've given it an add name of contact form. There it is right there. And it sticks out because we've given it the admin label. So I can just click on that, save this, and this should do exactly the same thing. Again, let's close out the preview we had there. We'll save the changes. We'll re-preview here. And we'll roll on down. There's our little button right there. Should do exactly the same thing. When I click on it, it scrolls right down there. So there's two ways of scrolling to sections, one with a CSS ID and one using an interaction. They'll both do exactly the same thing. But like I said before, the CSS ID, a lot of people are asking about it because it's not in the same place as it is with Divi 4. Like I say, all you need to do is just add one like that. And of course, for one-page scrolling sites, you can use that on your menus and scroll to sections like that. If you're scrolling to sections on different pages, you'd have to use the full URL and then the CSS ID. So I hope that's explained that. Two nice little ways to scroll to sections with the new Divi 5. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Don't forget, we're going to be working more and more with Divi 5 and less with Divi 4 here, but I'm still happy to answer any questions about Divi 4. So if you have any, drop them down below. I'll do my best to answer or make a little demo video just like this one, if I can. If you found this useful today, please give it a thumbs up, ring the bell, comment, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.